Good. I just saw him up to the hill. No, you turn around. I will. What happened?
I'm listening. There it is.
Where did you go?
There's a little loop, dude. I just took a little loop up.
Dude, I went this freaking way. I thought you went that way. I went all the way up, like boop, boop,
I
boop.
knew you guys would be.
I had to stop for him.
I'm not worried, dude.
I didn't want to lose
You
him.
guys hear me yelling?
No,
I thought I heard something.
A little woo!
I didn't hurt you.
My back tire is way low.
It's a low.
Yeah.
What do you think it is? Is it inner tube?
No, I don't. I think this is valve still, because see, I tried putting air in it at the store, and it pushes out. And when I try to air it up, you know how normally you could hear air going in there?
Yeah.
And it wasn't even. I was like, oh, it's got too much air. You know, that's what I was thinking. It wouldn't push anymore.
Did you? You know what we should do? I have a valve stem puller and stems for our bikes. Actually, one for the quad and probably one that fits your guys's.
Probably has some sand or dirt stuck in it or something.
Maybe. I mean, my valve stems might be a little bit different than your guys's, but they're just fucking plug it in. Looks like you have a screw on yours, so.
No.
Or is it just.
Uncle. Hi, buddy.
Okay, yeah, dude. I got valve stems and that little piece that pulls out that middle. Because your tube might have to pull it out like the old bicycles. Unscrew it a little bit and then
Not
put air
like a
in it.
regular car tire.
Okay.
Air that screw it in. But it wasn't allowing any air to go in when I tried to air it up, you know what I mean? You have an air thing in your truck?
That compressor, the little compressor thing? No, I don't. Greg has it.
Oh.
Sorry. We could put it around here too. Oh, it ain't gonna fall off. It's got a warm block on it anyway.
Right. You're not jumping there or nothing, so.
No. Room.
Yeah, baby, we're gonna keep going.
He's ready to
That hill,
go.
Lucas, you made it up that hill alright?
I did.
Second
I was
gear,
like,
too.
screw
I
this.
was like, go first. I seen it like, not even halfway, go to second. I'm like, no, dude, go to first.
That's why I went back down. I was like, you know what? Forget. I'm going up. I'm going up.
Yeah, for us, for heavy needs first gear.
Yeah. Well, I'm still learning.
Keep going this way. We're gonna loop back and go that way a little bit.
Because if we go back that way, there's no way me I can go all the way down there.
What do you mean?
can go
That hill I went all the way up.
and turn around or whatever. And
Yeah. I don't know, but I can try. Maybe.
This way you can get to Mud Lake and sit this way too, guys. And just fucking.
that one,
I think so. I never been this
I
way.
do know how to get there.
Does Matt know how? Do you know where it's at? Over here? Okay, we'll follow you.